This green and pleasant land narrative is absurd. It's not working. It's not gonna be worth it. This green fabric backlit picture could be rethreaded to make us all richer. Our society is blanket stitched, eyes wide shut to crystallizing the benefit. System is missing both a carrot and a stick. When 1/6 of native Welsh species are at risk of becoming extinct, let's unpick this. Don't beat the farmer too harshly. Our drum speaks of environment as a luxury. Please value natural capital properly. It's propping us up as we each reach for our own property. Let's stop. The proper thing would be to place value on the public goods we can't buy physically. Bring farmers along, they are a flexible breed. We need incentives for farms to grow their own feed, and they will grasp the opportunity if the plan stands up naturally. This green and pleasant land narrative needs a hand to rebrand because we are not on top of the food chain. We are not on top of the food chain, so where do we fit? We're balancing the fence, we're a link in the middle of it. Tipping tangled web for our own benefit. System is missing something we've not inherited. We can do this. Work together for solutions to get through this. Haystack of needles, let's use this and prove this. Kiss the mist of solutions clear for a shift to a Wales that values a system that we can sustain. If we can work within the food chain to make nature great again.